You fight for it.
Hell yeah, bro.
You fight for it.
Fight for the country.
You fight for the country. Yeah.
Oh, what's up, man? This crazy as fuck. I swear to
What's
God,
up, bro? How you play?
Okay, serious. This man crazy.
Boy, that boy just did harder. But Steve, buddy, man, just doing some fun ass shit.
Yeah.
Thank
That
God.
boy, she got 7,000. I'm finna get out of this motherfucker.
No, ain't on that one.
She got 7,000.
She five a hater, man. He don't got no fans. Y'all don't know him.
You always hating on me, though.
Come on, man. Them folk don't know you, bro. Damn, you should have went to rap. Everybody want to be like me. Well, bro, you should have did what you should have did. I did what I did. But boy. Oh, now you're on rap. Alright, see that?
Damn, little baby didn't get no Grammy, but it's all good. It's next year, my dude. But you rocked the show. You rocked your performance. Your performance was one of the best performers of the Grammys. So that's what's up, goddamn. His mama said send her back home cause he ain't win no Grammy. So he sent her home in a private jet, you know what I'm saying? Big boy style. The way you supposed to send your mama off, you know what I'm saying? That's what's up. See, I like Baby, man. He's a real one, for real. He a real one. Zone 4, goddamn, in Oakland City. I used to live there on Bywood, you know what I'm saying? If he know what Bywood is. And if you from Atlanta, you know what Bywood is. Yeah, I used to live on that street. Alright, right on, little baby. G shit.